viewpoint on Mount Fuji. We are here at Shiraosan Park on Fujinomiya city. It takes about 30 minutes to walk from Fujinomiya station to this spot, and it's actually quite cheap to take the bus from Tokyo to Fujinomiya. I paid 1,500 yen. However, there is only one bus a day and starts kind of late, departing Tokyo at 10:40 in the morning, and with a very crowded road, you get to Fujinomiya at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's very late but also very cheap. And so on this side there is a mountain, a hill with a beautiful forest, and it makes for a good spot to see Mount Fuji, especially on good weather and if he doesn't cover himself in clouds. And so this is a park. It's called like a flower park, and we are here at the top of this pretty it's not real wood. It looks like wood only. This pretty thing that they constructed for people to get to high enough to see the Mount Fuji, because the trees are quite high all around. So even if you come up to this park, you'll best be all the way up here. And yes, and yeah, I was waiting about an hour here to get that cloud away from Mount Fuji's head. Actually, I thought one could even put their tent here, but of course the local people are, you know, strolling through the park and like this, coming here to enjoy the forest. So yeah, maybe you could set your tent here at a later time and have a good spot on Mount Fuji very early morning. So now the head of Mount Fuji is out of the clouds. It was worth it waiting here 1 hour. Also, you can bring your food and you could eat here breakfast or lunch, because I think there are no tables. Yes, there are tables over here, but of course coolest is to do it right here where we are now, at the top of this pretty construction. So yeah, Mount Fuji is more and more getting out of the clouds. See, like this. Very nice. Of course, probably you could put your tent around there, but I don't think it's part of the concept, so maybe somebody might be making claims. And yes, there are hotels by the station, even a capsule hotel. So lucky, good that we stayed to see the Mount Fuji with his head out of the bloody clouds.